When you perform 100 push-ups every day, what happens to your body? The most well-known and popular exercise we have all heard of is the push-up. Today we will discuss the benefits, types of push-ups, and precautions to be taken to perform push-ups. So, keep watching this video to know what changes push-ups can do to your body. To start your fitness journey, join us and subscribe to our channel Fitness Vault to get all the fitness-related content, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Now, let us dive into the video. First of all, to all beginners, let us understand what push-ups are. Push-ups are a common exercise performed without any tool by only using our body weight. Even though so many people find it hard to perform, the results are all worth the hard work. It is one of the most effective workouts anyone can add to their routine to get great muscle building results and gain strength. It can engage the muscles in your arms, shoulders, and chest, overall upper body. It strengthens the whole body. It also engages the core. For beginners, it is safe to perform knee push-ups first. Once you are comfortable, you can experiment with various push-up styles and variations. Let's check out some types of push-ups. One-arm push-up, wide hands push-up, clap push-up, triangle push-up, flying push-up, cross-body push-up, pike push-up, archer push-up, Spiderman push-up. These are a few types you can try and consistently increase the count to improve each day. Let us see some elaborated benefits push-ups can give to your body. Posture correction. Posture adjustment is one of the excellent benefits of doing push-ups. Do push-ups for a few minutes daily if you have back or spine problems. Your posture will improve and you'll look fitter. Strengthen your joints and bones. Push-ups are extremely helpful for promoting bone health and can strengthen the joints. Doing daily push-ups will give your joints ultimate strength as they involve the movement of elbows. Therefore, daily push-ups can help each muscle, bone, and joint. Strengthens whole body. I think push-ups are the most effective exercise to improve your entire body. Since you must engage your core during push-ups, many muscles can be engaged simultaneously. Your upper body and lower body will both become stronger as a result. Weight loss. Push-ups are considered the best effective body workout. Daily push-ups can genuinely help you lose weight by burning extra calories in your body. Push-ups are a great exercise to include in your daily routine if you struggle with excess weight and are working hard to lose weight. Improves heart health. According to experts, those who regularly perform push-ups have a lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease and other heart-related conditions. I must say that your heart stays healthy if you can perform at least 40 push-ups each day. It's never too late to begin your fitness journey. Push-ups should be a part of your everyday routine if you want to stay healthy. Let's discuss some safety measures that should be followed when doing push-ups. It gets habituated when you continue to do the same routine, and there won't be any significant results. This is because when you perform any workout, your muscles will be stressed, creating a tendency that results in a change in your body. Hence, there won't be any effect of that particular workout on your body, and you no longer get any results. It is safe to begin on your knees if you are a beginner. Only attempt to execute push-ups after first performing knee push-ups. To prevent any injuries, make sure to complete push-ups carefully every times. For example, improper push-up form can result in lower back or shoulder pain. If you are feeling ill or weak, avoid doing push-ups. Only when you are strong and in good health should you engage in any type of exercise. Avoid doing too many push-ups because this could cause a variety of issues. Push-ups can burn a lot of energy, so if you perform them excessively, getting enough protein in your diet would be best to prevent weight loss. See you in our next video. Till then, please do like and share this video. Thank you.